In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete eBay account. By the end, you'll know exactly where the option lives in your account and what to expect when you start the closure process. I'll also point out a few helpful tips so you can avoid common hiccups along the way. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your eBay account on a desktop browser. If you've recently changed devices or cleared cookies, you might be asked to log in again, which is normal. Start on the eBay homepage. Move your mouse to the top right corner and hover over your name. Don't click. Just pause your cursor there. A drop-down menu will appear with shortcuts related to your profile and account. If you don't see your name, you're likely not signed in yet. Once you log in, that menu will show up. From that drop-down, click Account Settings. This takes you to the main hub for your profile, buying and selling preferences, and privacy controls. Give the page a moment to load. You'll typically see a navigation area with categories and links you can manage. This is where eBay keeps all the tools related to your account status. Within Account Settings, look for the option labeled Close Account and click it. This link opens eBay's closure flow, where you'll see important information about what closing your account means. Expect to review a brief explanation of the consequences, such as losing access to your buying and selling history, messages, and saved settings, and any conditions that might delay closure. For example, eBay may prevent immediate closure if there are open orders, unresolved returns, pending payouts, or an unpaid balance. If something like that applies to you, eBay will call it out on screen and guide you on what needs attention before proceeding. After you click Close Account, follow the prompts shown. You may be asked to confirm your choice and select a reason. Take a moment to read each message carefully so you're comfortable with the outcome. In many cases, eBay processes closures after a short waiting period, and you might receive a confirmation email when it's complete. During that time, avoid using the account to ensure the request goes through smoothly. To recap, the path is simple. Hover over your name on the eBay homepage to open the menu, click Account Settings, then select Close Account. That's all there is to finding the option and starting the process. If you ever change your mind before the closure is finalized, check the on-screen instructions in Account Settings for your available options. Thanks for watching and take care.